Hi, today we're going to see how to create a cutout letter effect in Photopea. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new image. Go to File, New. The image I'm going to use is 1920 by 1080 pixels, and now double click. And now I'm going to select the type tool. So left click here, then left click type tool. So the font I'm going to use is called Acme. For the size, I'm going to use 1000 pixels. And here for the style here, it's regular, it only has regular. So now for the color for the first letter, I'm going to use the black color. Now left click, and now I'm just going to type my text. So here it is. So now I'll select the move tool. I'm going to move it down like this. And now let's select the type tool again. And now left click here. And now I'm going to type my letter. So here it is. Now I'm going to select the move tool. I'm going to move it down. So for this one here, let's go back to the type tool. I'm going to change its color to, so double click to select it. Now left click here on the color. Now I'm going to use this color here. Press OK. So here it is. Now I'm going to select the D letter, the D layer. So I'm going to place it here. And for the C, I'm going to move it. Make sure to select the move tool here. I'm going to move it here like this. So I think here it's okay. So I'm going to move it here a little bit. So here it is. And now in order to have this cutout effect, I'm going to select the D text layer, this one here. Hold the control key and then left click on it to select the pixels. You can either hold the control key and then left click or right click, select pixels. So here it selected the pixels inside my layer here. So now I'm going to increase the size of my selection here. In order to do so, go to select, modify, and now here you can either add border, smooth. So this is the one we need, the expand. For the contract, it will reduce the size, and for this one, it will make it blurry, it will feather the selection. So now I'm going to select expand. So now as you can see, here's the expanded selection. So for example, if you want to see the original one, I'm just going to double click, type 0, press enter. So here's the original one, so you can adjust it. So for me, I'm going to go with 20. Of course, this will depend on the size of your text or letters. So here I'm fine, press OK. And now select the C letter. And now if you press the delete key, you won't be able to delete this part here from the C letter. So you will need to first rasterize this layer here, the C layer. So right click on it and then click on rasterize. So here it is. And now if you press the delete key on your keyboard, so here it is. And now we are just going to remove the selection. So go to select, and then here click on deselect. So here it is. And now I'm just going to flatten my image. So right click and then flatten image. So here it is. That's how you can create a cutout letter effect in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.